What's up, guys? It's me, Haitian Sauce on YouTube. Yeah. All right, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. We're not gonna waste any time. I just wanted to introduce myself to YouTube. Okay. As you guys know, I just started on Amazon. I just launched my store. The store has nothing in it right now, but I had stuff in it I just sold. Okay. But the point is, I started. I said I was going to do it. I did it. All right. So I'm going to bring all my success, all my failures right here on YouTube, so you guys can see a whole nother side of Haitian Sauce pursuing the Amazon life, the business life right here on YouTube. And I will also share my whole, not my whole, but part of my whole family journey on here, like what we do, how we do it. You get what I'm saying? The good part, the fun part, the bad part. You get what I'm saying? A little juice here and there about the family. You get what I mean? Like when I'm praying and my wife is like, oh, can you help me with the baby? And I gotta stop what I'm doing so I can help with the baby. Oh, you spend too much time on TikTok. Can you come help me over here? Can you just stop the live and, spend some time with me? Things like that. You get what I'm saying? So I will be sharing all of these things right here on YouTube with you guys, and also trying to teach other people how to navigate on Amazon, how to get their account started, what to do, what not to do, how to sell on there, or how to open their accounts with Amazon to sell on there, just like everybody else is doing. Okay, so I have a whole team with me. I have a WhatsApp group that we're on, and we share our ideas, we help each other, we push each other in all sorts of ways. Okay, just so we can help each other in this business journey, because it can be a lot. You need some encouragement. You need somebody to motivate you. And that group that we have on WhatsApp, that we met on TikTok, all of us have met on TikTok, and we decided to form a group on outside of TikTok, so we can communicate, so we can motivate each other to get better, to do what we're supposed to do. And you need that, because the business life can be rough, and sometimes you need a shoulder to lean on, and ask a question here and there, because you just navigating the world, the business world, and you don't know everything. Yes, you can go online and do your own research, but if you have a friend, a good partner that you can go to and bounce your ideas off of, you never know. And those people that we have on a group, those people are smart, they're kind. You get what I'm saying? They are ready to share their knowledge with everyone, and that's what we're doing. So you guys are going to see a lot of that. So I will be recording part of our Zoom meeting when we have them. Not all the time, but anytime I can record part of the Zoom meeting to see how much fun we have, I will do that. And you guys are gonna see all of that right here on YouTube, on this channel. So please, guys, subscribe to this channel. Abonnez avec nous sur channel ça, parce que nous voulons aider un pile monde, un pile haïtien, et nous besoin prendre petit plaisir nous tout sur réseau là. S'il vous plaît, subscribe, share, and like this content, and wait to see what we have coming. Okay, and I would like you guys to have your notification bell on, so chaque fois nous poster vidéo, pour qu'à joindre, pour qu'à amuser, pour qu'à apprendre avec nous. Et posez des questions tout. Ask as many questions as you want, and I will do my best to answer everyone. Okay? Posez des questions, ask questions. We're here to help. We're here to have fun, and let's make it happen, y'all. This is just a quick little video, just so I can launch this and get it done. I didn't know how to do it. I just did it. So if you guys like it, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, you can also give it a thumb down. All right? Let me know in the comments. Haitian Sauce is out. Peace and love.